Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm, my July Boxycharm. And I'm so excited to dive into this with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the theme this month is Boxycharm on Natural. And so the first thing that I see in the box is the Collagen Cleansing Spa Water Wipes. I'm not going to use these because I don't have anything on my face to wipe off, and I already washed my face. But I've heard really good things about these, so I'm excited to try them on. They're probably going to go in my travel bag. Those cost $17. It is full size. There are 10 wipes in one package, and it's $17. Okay, starting the total off at $17. And then the next thing in the box is the Luxie Gaea 3-piece brush set, and it looks like it's really cute. Oh, this is cute packaging. Okay, this is cute. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Cute. And these retail for $30. So that brings us to $47 already. And we're only 2 products in. That's like over twice what you spend on the box. So the next thing in the box is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, which retails for $35. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. It has avocado, broccoli seed oil, rich in omega fatty acids, vitamin C, passionate fruit acids, helps to brighten for a fresh looking complexion. Okay, and it retails for $35. I'm going to squeeze some of this onto the back of my hand, and I'm going to use the face brush that was in the box to apply this. Okay, so here's the mask. The first thing I noticed right now, well, the smell is really nice, but it does feel a little irritating when I was sliding it onto my face, but we will see how that plays out. I don't really love the feel right away, but we will see. We'll see how it goes. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes and then remove with a damp, dark cloth, may stain fabric. So that's why I use a dark cloth. Okay, so good. I'll be back in 10 minutes once I've washed this off. Okay, so the next product in the box is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Look how pretty this packaging is. Like, I love that, like the wooden with like the flowers around it. Whew. Oh, this retails for $32, and it has all these pretty shades. It has these 2 mattes and all these shimmery shades. The only thing that I think it's missing is like a medium shade matte, which is too bad because otherwise this is a pretty good palette, but like because of that I don't know that I would travel with this. However, since it's missing that shade, I did go ahead and use I just grabbed my bronzer and applied it to my crease. So that's what each of the shades look like. So I'm going to take the first shade in the palette, Enchantress, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid with the Luxie Precision crease brush. So I'm just going to wet my brush with a setting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and dip back into the shade Enchantress and apply it to my lid. I might take a little bit of the Queen shade, which is a little bit more of a reddish, a coppery red color, And I'm just going to apply just a little bit to the very center of my lid. And then using the Luxie Large Eye Blending, I'm going to take the shade Temptress, which is the dark brown. I'm going to dust that off. And I'm just going to work that into the outer corner and the crease. These brushes are very soft. So I will say, I'm going to use a little bit of the Enchantress on my finger. And I think that that is where you're going to get the best color payoff with it. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. And I'm going to prep the face for the rest of our makeup. Hi guys, I'm back. Okay, so I have all my makeup on. In the we only have one product left in the box, and that is the Ofra Liquid Lip in Santorini. So it's this really pretty magenta. It looks like it has a shine to it. Let's apply this and see what we think. Okay, so this is our finished look from our Boxycharm this month. The total comes out to be $134, which is over 5 times what I paid for the box, or over 6 times what I originally paid for the box. Wow, that's crazy. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, make sure to share this with your friends. Please, please, please. As always, the products will be listed in the box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.